In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once you have it open, look for the specific text you want to transform into a hyperlink. Selecting this text is crucial because it will be the clickable element in your slide. Once that's complete, navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint window. This tab contains various options for adding elements to your slide, and it's where you'll find the tool to create your hyperlink. Next, you'll want to select the link option. This will open a dialog box where you can enter the details of your hyperlink. It's a straightforward interface that allows you to specify the destination of your link. From here, enter the website address you wish to link to. Make sure you type the URL correctly, as this is the address that will open when someone clicks your hyperlink during the presentation. With that out of the way, click the Insert button to apply the hyperlink. This action finalizes the link creation process, embedding the URL into your selected text. Now you can test the hyperlink by clicking the link text. Doing so should open the specified website in your default web browser, confirming that your hyperlink is working as intended. And that's how to add a clickable hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your slides with interactive elements that direct your audience to additional resources or information.